white to mate in 2. Can you find the winning move in this position? Pause for a few seconds and try to find the winning move. Alright, let's take note of the pieces on the board. We have the black king, we have the white king, and we also have the what? The white queen. And what whites have to do is just to move their pieces twice and mate the black king. Now let's look at some few moves. Let's look at all the moves with the king first. Let's imagine if the white king goes to c2, king c2, giving this discover check to the black king. What can black do? Black can just respond by bringing his king up, and there is no mate in 2. As you can see, the second move with the queen, black can escape, and there is no mate in 2. Black can also come here, and there's what? There is no mate in 2. This is mate in 3. You can see. So clearly, this move does not work. To see for also allowing this discover check on the king can just what? Square below it, and there is no mate in 2, as you can see. So clearly, king c4 and king c2 does not work. What move can we make? We can make this king d4 discover check to the black king, but the black king can just what? Move up, and there is no what? There is no mate in 2. Now that we've exhausted the king moves, let's now look at some queen moves. The first move I will look at is queen to f1. Queen to f1 is threatening a very, very sneaky checkmate. If the king should move up, guess what? This is a checkmate on the board, and that is mate in 2. But the black king can avoid this by what? By moving down, and there is no checkmate as the king has this square to move to. So king f1 does not lead to mate in 2. We also have king h1. The king can just what? Move, and there is no mate in 2. We also have queen to h8. The king can literally just move, and there is no mate in 2. As you can see, just move, there's no mate in 2. What about queen f5? Queen f5, king can just what? Move to a4, or even, and there is no mate. Or the king can even move to what? This square, and there is no mate in 2, only mate in 3. So the winning move in this position is actually what? The winning move in this position is actually what? Queen to e6. Queen to e6 actually what? Prevent the king from moving down. So this queen covers this whole diagonal. As you can see, covers this scope. So the only move for the black king is what? Is to move to a4, and the next move is what? Checkmate on the board. I hope you enjoyed this chess puzzle. Let me know in the comment section if you found the winning move. Queen to e6.